Hey guys, I'm Amanda, and today I'm excited to show you my daily skincare routine using these 3 products, Beleza by Vasayo. So, first thing I like to do when I start off in the morning is just wash my skin off with some warm water, and then I pat it dry with a clean towel. And then, getting to the exciting part, I like to grab my Beleza Serum. This stuff is amazing because it tightens up my skin, smooths the lines under my eyes, any wrinkles, we know that's important. So I like to take this and I will just put a pump of that onto my finger. And then I will gently apply this underneath my eyes. I really like this just because it's refreshing. It feels cooling, and just be gentle with it, massage it underneath. Again, I'll do this twice a day, first thing in the morning when I wake up and right before I go to bed. And again, I'll take the serum and I will do 2 or 3 pumps onto my hand. And I love to just massage this into the rest of my skin, into my forehead. What is amazing about this is that it really just creates kind of an environment for your skin to help it accept the great nutrients inside the serum. So I'll do this twice a day, morning and night, and once that's completely absorbed, you're ready for the next step. So now I'll take the Beleza Rejuvenating Cream. This stuff gives my skin the most youthful glow. It's amazing. I just have like the most bouncy skin. So I'll just take this and put a pump onto my finger. I like to just, again, massage this into my skin, into my forehead. It feels really nice. But the amazing thing about this is that it has this ingredient called reproage. And basically it tells your skin to just kind of turn off the aging process, so to speak. So it's pretty amazing. And not only that, I like to use this on my elbows. I'll apply it to my arms, my feet, anywhere that gets a little dry or scaly. So I'll do that morning and night again. And once I'm done with that, the last but not least, my favorite is the Beleza Hydrating Mist. Now this stuff, not only can you use it as a makeup setting spray, so I'll just apply it to my face, close my eyes, and my neck. And not only does it smell really nice, but this helps protect against pollutants in the air and the blue light that comes from your phones and your tablets that's very damaging to your skin. It helps protect from that. And also, my boyfriend sometimes likes to steal it, and he just uses it as like a refreshing aftershave. So it's a win for both of us. And I'll just throw this thing into my bag, carry it with me, and apply it throughout the day just as needed. So there you have it. That's my entire routine. 3 simple steps to youthful, glowing, tight, beautiful skin with Beleza products by Vasayo.